So, how does everyone feel about that Tesla earnings call from a few hours ago? It was fantastic, right? So much minus everywhere, I didn't know whether to laugh or cry. The numbers were absolutely horrendous, but hey, let's fake pump it. So, apparently, the market is rewarding bad performance these days. This is what happens when the liquidity is crazy. The aftermath of money printing. It's extremely concerning. It's actually so bad, it's hilarious. We will elaborate on Tesla's poop-flinging contest. Earnings call in a few moments in this episode of Stock Squirrel's Nut House. Let's get these acorns cracking. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This is your high-flying, electrifying, star-studded, warm-blooded, savvy stock squirrel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm coming to you live with another episode of The Nut House, where we talk about stock, investments, saving, business, money, retirement, dodging Tesla poop, and everything in between to get you on the right path to secure your financial future. On this wealth-building journey, come along for the ride and hold on to your nuts. I think you're going to like this one. So holy hell. What on earth happened on this Tesla earnings call? There's poop flying everywhere. I see misses all over the place. They had a terrible quarter and their guidance was a joke. Employees are getting laid off to scale down. Margin is decreasing. EPS a miss. Revenue a miss. There's yellow piss on the wall from a toilet bowl miss. And guess what? I will reveal a shocking surprise later in this video. Ladies and gentlemen, if you bring up Tesla in WeBull, what a miserable chart. I'm also trying to figure out how a company losing $2.5 billion a quarter is trading at around $500 billion. It's mind-blowing. And to make it more fun, 3 top executives at Tesla have resigned in 2 weeks. The latest executive departure was at the end of this most recent earnings call. LOL. Talk about the poop hitting the fan, better have those turd deflection suits ready. According to the chart beside me, let me crunch some of these numbers for you. For EPS, it was 45 cents per share versus 50 cents as expected. So that was a miss. In sales, it was $21.3 billion versus $22.2 billion in sales as expected. That was a miss. In operating profit margins, it was 5.5% versus 6.6% as expected. My squirrel friends, that was also a miss. 3 strikes and you're out. So that means profit fell 55% from the prior year period. Revenue was down 9% to $21.3 billion. So with all these freaking terrible numbers, any rational person would think, wow, I'm sure the Tesla stock price would be free falling to the depths of hell by now. But fear not, my squirrel friends. All these horrible numbers might result in an entirely different outcome. Remember earlier in the video, I said I was going to reveal a surprise? Well, here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Lo and behold, after a crap show of terrible earnings numbers, Tesla's stock is currently up 11+% in after-hours trading. You might think to yourself, how in the hell is this possible? Did I miss something? Did Elon Musk mention a robo-taxi with a flamethrower? Did he make a functional Cybertruck where the accelerator pedal doesn't get jammed? Not quite, my little nutter butters. Tesla hinted at progress of its robo-taxi initiative and its future lineup. This includes launching new vehicle models ahead of prior expectations. Apparently, the new vehicles would include more affordable models and would use parts of the company's current platform. Elon Musk also mentioned that the company would unveil the robo-taxi August 8th. Not going to hold my breath for that one. Apparently, commentary on its new models seemed to overshadow a set of deplorable earnings numbers that missed expectations. Elon Musk says sales will grow this year in 2024. I say any person with a brain will believe otherwise after seeing those awful results. Oh yeah, they also said they will have a robot walking around the factory performing duties, whatever that means. Then right afterwards, the stock price shot up like a rocket. It's like, don't worry about our horrible earnings numbers and billions of dollars of debt. We're going to have a robot walking around the warehouse bringing people coffee, asking them how our day was. I swear I can't make this stuff up. Aside from all that, only thing I can say is, let's get ready for multiple earnings reports of the Magnificent 7 stocks this upcoming week and next week. The stock market has been very strange lately. Even this Tesla earnings call, revenue and margins are down and up we go. Gotta love it. That concludes this episode of The Nut House. Thank you for joining me. And remember, my squirrel friends, the secret to squirrel success: never stop gathering your nuts. Your rational stock squirrel in a very unrational stock market is signing off. We'll see you next time. Lastly, are you ready for more unusual stock earnings reveals this upcoming week? Bad numbers and stocks going on a moon mission? Comment down below. Also check out my other videos talking about QQQ, the Nasdaq 100 ETF, and VOO, the S&P 500 ETF. Both contain tons of insight on those fantastic investments as well. Thank you for listening. It's been wonderful sipping coffee, hanging out, petting my dog, trying to figure out how negative company earnings equate into positive stock prices, and talking stocks with my favorite squirrel subscribers. Please like and subscribe to me on YouTube. My family and I would greatly appreciate it. It puts us on the YouTube algorithm so more families can learn about finance and investing. Also, feel free to follow me on Twitter, X, and Instagram if you want to see a financially savvy fat squirrel in action. Also, please understand that I am not giving investment or financial advice. You, the listener, are responsible for your own actions and investment activities. I am here to provide education. Don't be a smooth brain squirrel and blow up your long-term stock account on zero DTE put options. Thank you.